You guys, we have another unboxing. I'm super excited about this one. I can't wait to unbox it for you guys. I've wanted something like this for a very long time. It's from France, new luxury piece, and I can't wait to add it to my collection. I can't wait to show it to you guys. So let's unbox, let's not chat. I ordered, sorry, I'm gonna keep chatting. I think 4 of them. So here it is. Ooh! There's a little note from the company. Wow, okay, so it comes with this beautiful paper. It's from MaiTai, okay? MaiTai collection, which is really nice. Okay, let's not let this fall over. Okay, so it comes in a little dust bag that says MaiTai collection, and then it says made in France. MaiTai collection, made in France. Kelly 28, okay? So maybe you know, now you don't, okay. So, ooh, it is the MaiTai collection, Jean-Paul Gaultier bag insert, bag organizer. You guys know I love bag organizers. I love protecting the inside of your bag because you have to protect the inside of your bag, especially with Hermes bag, because that's the only part of the bag that Hermes Spa will not touch and not repair. They'll fix anything on the outside you want, any problems, cracking, snapping, broken handles, hardware, scuffs, buffs, whatever, stains, but anything on the inside they will not touch. So that's why the bag insert is really important. And this one is a silk one designed by Jean-Paul Gaultier, and it's got the gold on the inside with the blue because I wanted to match the Kelly gold. And it's beautiful design, and it's like this silky material, silk. I love it. And I love it, love it, love it. A little more pricier than regular bag inserts. I've done zoomoni ones, I've done ztujo ones, samorga. The lower end of bag inserts, and I can do a separate video on this, lower end of bag inserts, higher end of bag inserts. Hermes has like a $500 one. This is like in the middle range. Not too low, not too high, but luxury. I think you should invest in a better one because you want to protect the inside. You don't want to go with the cheap ones, the felt ones that, you know, and then there are the super expensive, like $1,000 ones. So anyway, especially when you're paying like this much price for a bag, I think a good one is to get inside. So let's go put it inside. Also, if you guys want, because I love it, and I want you guys to love it too, that I use my name as a discount, Mayank, for 10% off any purchase you make there. You're welcome. Okay. This guy Kelly, 28 out from hibernating. Hello, you haven't seen you in a while. Okay, so also, another thing that I didn't mention, which about this one, is it's accordion style, right? So it'll kind of close with the bag when you need it, whereas to a lot of other ones are kind of square, right? And it's a little bit harder. And when they close, they also, over time, I've had this happen, leave little marks where the top is. But because this is accordion and because it's a lot softer material than the thicker ones in the felt, it won't. So it'll get in super easily, and then it fits in like that, like a glove. It's made for the size, it's tailored for the size. And then now I've got 4 extra pockets in here and a big compartment in the middle. And it looks so much more luxurious, don't you think? Because of the little like checkered pattern on the bottom, I feel like it makes it, just elevates a little bit. And then like the hints of blue, maybe I'll get like I'll put like a blue charm or like a blue twilly or something like that. I don't know, I love it. I think they're really well made. And the price point's like, I want to say they start at 80 and go up to like 200 depending on the material and the designer. So in terms of bag inserts, that's not that much, because there are ones that are like the Hermes ones themselves are 500-600, and they're literally made out of dust bag material. So like I wouldn't pay that for the Hermes one when you could just literally use your dust bag if you wanted to. Those felt ones are like 30 to 50 to 60, so like 80 I think is not that much more for a pretty good quality designer, made in France, nice one. And then I think they have like those really expensive ones that start at like 500 to 1,000 plus that are made with like a different kind of material. I can't remember, like some Italian Alcantara or Alcarta or something, alpaca or something, not alpaca. Anyway, that's all I got. Like I said, if you guys want to get them, and I highly recommend you do, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you do, or if you already have bag insert, or if you want to get one and you have this, let me know in the comments below. But if you want to get one, again, use my name, Mayank, for 10% off. Go get one. They come really quick. They're amazing, okay? That's all I got. Thank you guys.